Welcome back to Antique Hardware Supply, where we dive into the small details that bring warmth, charm, and personality to your home. Today, we're talking about something that often gets overlooked, the little accents. They might not be the first thing people notice when they walk into a room, but they absolutely help tie everything together. And if you're looking to upgrade your space without a major renovation, small hardware swaps can go a long way. Let's take a closer look at three of our favorite unsung heroes: switch plate covers, stairway hardware, and coat and robe hooks. Let's start with switch plate covers. These are in every room, sometimes multiple times, and yet they're almost always left as plain white plastic. But here's the thing, you touch them every day and they're right at eye level. So why not make them part of your design story? Upgrading to solid brass, cast iron, or ceramic covers can add a subtle touch of craftsmanship to the walls. Go with decorative filigree if your home leans traditional, or clean, unlacquered brass if you're into a warmer, vintage, modern look. These upgrades are especially impactful in spaces like powder rooms, hallways, and kitchens, anywhere guests are likely to notice the details. Next, let's talk about stairway hardware. Most people think of staircases as structural, and they are, but they can also be incredibly beautiful if you take the time to dress them up. Swapping out your standard handrail brackets for something like wrought iron or antiqued bronze instantly adds weight and texture. And it's not just the brackets. Things like newel post caps or decorative baluster shoes help finish the look. If your staircase is one of the first things you see when entering your home, these accents are well worth the upgrade. They give your space that lived-in, well-designed feel without being overdone. And finally, we come to coat and robe hooks, small, practical pieces that are often added as an afterthought, but they're another great way to bring character into functional spaces. In bathrooms, an antique-style robe hook on the back of the door adds a touch of elegance. In mudrooms or entryways, a row of vintage-look coat hooks can create an inviting, useful drop zone. And if you want something truly custom, mount them on a piece of reclaimed wood or a decorative backplate to really make them stand out. The best part? Hooks are an easy way to blend function with form, and they're one of the most affordable upgrades out there. So, whether you're restoring an old home or just want to add more personality to a newer space, don't underestimate the power of the small things. These subtle upgrades help tell your home's story, and they show that you've paid attention to every last detail. Thanks for watching Antique Hardware Supply. If you're interested in any of the hardware we featured today, be sure to check the description below. We've included links to everything so you can browse, get inspired, or start upgrading right away. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a deep dive into the pieces that bring history and craftsmanship into everyday living.